All right, let's create our very first action. Now, the first thing we want to do in order to create an action is you need to get out of button mode. So just click on the little actions options, and we're going to go out of button mode. There we go. Now we have all our folders, or sets is what they're called. I like to just call them folders because that's exactly what they look like. Now, first thing we want to do, let's create a new set or a new folder. So we're just going to go actions options, new set, and let's call this new actions. And as you can see, there we go. We've got our new set, and of course there's nothing in it. Now let's create our very first action. The first thing we want to do is go to New Action. And now it's going to ask us what we want to name this action. Let's create an action to create a black and white. So let's just go quick black and white action. And it's going to ask us the set. Where do we want to save this? And meaning, which folder do we want to save this action in? Now, it defaults at the one we just created, which is New Actions, but we can always choose any of the other folders. But let's keep it in New Actions. And now it's asking us for a function key. From F2 to F12 using the Shift or the Control key, you can assign it a function key. So all you have to do is say if you wanted F7, you hit F7 and it'll run that action. I'm just going to leave it at none for now. And let's hit record. Now, once we hit record, Photoshop is going to record everything that we do. And that's what it's going to record as your action. So what we want to do is we want to create a black and white action. I'm going to do this just simply using the desaturate mode. Or actually, let's just go into the grayscale. So let's just go record. Now we're going to go to image, mode, grayscale. Discard color information. Yes, we do. And there we have it, done. And now as you can see here, we've got the little record button. I'm going to hit stop and stop recording. Now our action is finished. And as you can see, we've got our name, quick black and white action, and our first step was convert mode. And if we click on there, convert mode to grayscale mode. And that's it. That is our action. Our action is done. If I go back in history to the beginning, and I look at that, now if I play this action, it's going to turn it to black and white. Or if I go into button mode and play the action just by clicking it, see there it is there, quick black and white, hit it once, now I've got it. So every time I click my quick black and white, it is going to convert my image to grayscale mode. And that's how you create your first action.